Edco scarifiers are designed to remove concrete, asphalt, and floor coverings. They create textured, roughened, and cleaned surfaces. Scarifiers are great for surface removal, line and markings removal, leveling sidewalk trip hazards, coating preparation, and creating non-slip surfaces. This video shows how to properly use and maintain the Edco 8-inch walk-behind scarifier, model CPM-8. There are multiple power options for the CPM-8. All options scarify approximately 350 to 500 square feet per hour at an 1/8 depth per pass when using Edco's carbide cutter accessories. Scarifiers remove surfaces by using rotating drums, filled with these carbide cutters or steel accessories. The tungsten carbide cutters are the most aggressive and longest lasting accessory. One set of carbide should remove 6,000 to 8,000 square feet of concrete at an 1/8 inch before replacement. Carbides are designed for most general purpose applications. The Edco hardened steel cutters are available in both flat tip and pointed tip forms. Steel cutters should remove approximately 400 to 500 square feet of concrete at a 1/16 inch depth per pass before replacement. The flat tip cutters are designed for shallow concrete removal in smaller areas. The pointed tip cutters are designed for specialized applications like removing rubberized coatings and lightly texturing, cleaning, and preparing concrete surfaces. Preparing the scarifier for operation is easy. Begin by tipping the machine forward and inserting the accessory drum into the machine. There are holes on the sides of the drum, and there are bolts mirroring that hole pattern inside the scarifier. Line up these holes and bolts, and then slide the drum shaft through the drum and machine. Then attach 2 left-handed thread nuts, tighten everything, and snap in the plastic guard. Pick up the scarifier and make sure the engage-disengage lever is in the up position. This will disengage the drum. Attach a 2 or 3 inch vacuum hose to the multi-vac port. Airborne dust is harmful. Edco recommends its line of vacuum systems for safe dust prevention. If you're using a gasoline model, turn on the gas line switch, then turn on the engine switch. Adjust the gas and choke, open the throttle, and then pull the start cord. If you're using an electric model, plug in the scarifier to the proper power supply and turn on the machine. To begin scarifying with all models, adjust the depth control crank all the way up. Lower the engage-disengage lever into the engage position and begin adjusting the depth control crank down. You will hear the accessories touch the floor. You are now scarifying. To achieve the maximum 1/8 inch removal per pass, turn the depth control crank 3 full times after hearing the accessories touch. Upon engaging, you'll feel the machine pulling forward. Hold on to the handlebars and direct the machine. Do not let go without raising the engage-disengage lever. The machine will run away if it's still scarifying. The depth will stay set when you disengage the drum. Remember, the scarifier is designed to remove an 1/8 inch of concrete per pass. If the application calls for deeper removal, scarify the area multiple times. Removing too much per pass will damage the accessories and will slow the task. Simple maintenance ensures Edco scarifiers run properly. Always tip the machine forward when working on the CPM-8. Tipping gasoline models back causes oil leakage into the fuel tank. Greasing the drum shaft bearings is the most frequent maintenance task. There are 2 bearings, one located on each side. Grease these before every use. There are also grease points on the depth control crank and on the engage-disengage lever. Service these points as needed. Adjust the machine's belt tension by moving the motor or engine mount up or down. This scarifier has 2 belts. Begin by taking off the side belt guard and loosening the bolts on both sides of the mount. When the side bolts are loose, manipulating this jack bolt located underneath the mount will raise and lower the mount. To loosen or remove the belts, lower the mount. To tighten, raise the mount. Properly tensioned belts have about a 1/2 inch deflection or play. When this is achieved, first retighten the bolt nearest the belts and look at its position within its vertical slot. Then make the bolt on the opposite side of the mount match this position and retighten. Matching bolt positions will ensure both belts are correctly tensioned. Finally, tighten the jack bolt and attach the belt guard. Because of the Scarifier's aggressive performance, some hardware may loosen over time. Periodically check to make sure everything is secure. For more information and to view all Edco training videos, visit edcoinc.com and Edco's YouTube channel. Call Edco customer service using 800-638-3326.